Respected parents and my loving students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Paradise official YouTube channel. First of all, I will discuss about play class English rhyme butterfly, butterfly.
Butterfly, butterfly, flutter around. Butterfly, butterfly, touch the ground. Butterfly, butterfly, fly so free. Butterfly, butterfly, land on me. Butterfly, butterfly, reach the sky. Butterfly, butterfly, say goodbye. Allah Hafiz.
Respected parents and my loving students, Assalamu alaikum. I am here to discuss about play class Urdu rhyme. किसने बनाया तितली को?
ने बनाया तितली को, तितली को खुदा ने बनाया तितली को, तितली को किसने बनाया हम सबको, खुदा ने बनाया हम सबको.
Respected parents, I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.